Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to check your IMEI number on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin. There are two main ways to check your IMEI number. The first one is by going into the settings, scrolling all the way down, heading into About Phone section and scrolling right here. And we can see our IMEI numbers right here, and we can also copy and paste them. And we can, for example, copy them into our website IMEI.info, when we can check the IMEI number and check some other useful information about our current device. Alternatively, we can leave it, go into our phone, into our dial pad, and input secret code, that being *##06, and ending it with hash. This way we can also see our current IMEI numbers, and we can also copy and paste them if you want to. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.